Hello and welcome to SBC, SB Cinema. Today I will show you how to repair a loose pedal on a vintage bike cycle like this. Unlike modern bike cycles, those use splints to hold the pedal in place. And now
on this one of the pedals is loose. So I've bought a new shim and let's see if we can fix it. You take this nut out. Then you have to rest it on a block of wood and hammer the splint out. Bam! Splint is out. Here you can really tell how much this one was worn down. So we will replace it with a brand new one. This part wears out as well a bit, so we can just take a file and see that we make it flat again. Here is new versus old. So let's install a new one, just like this. And you have to tighten it down a lot to keep it in place.